And we're in the barbecue Virgil's restaurant. Looks kind of cool. Bar over there. Still have a Christmas tree up. Still have a. All right, we're gonna. All right, so we're looking at Virgil's menu. These are the different items on the menu. So, from our smokers. Isn't this place cool? There's like a good bar over there. We should have just sat at the bar and drank.
You can sit at the bar if you want.
Do you want to?
I like the bar.
Let's go.
Do they have room? Oh yeah, I see two spots.
Yeah, let's go grab them. We'll take our towels with us. So we're gonna go sit at the bar actually. So we think the bar is gonna be a better place so we can get a couple of drinks and stuff here. So hang out with the bartenders. What's going on, buddy? Having fun?
It's like, okay. Crazy.
Yeah, what do you want to drink?
A beer. Let's see.
I think that's what I want too. I wonder what Virgil's is like. So yeah, we're just, hey, so we're eating, got the name of it. Oh.
I know, I forgot it too.
Because it says Carmine's over there.
It's a barbecue.
So we're eating barbecue. Check it out. So good. It's got like ribs and mac and cheese, beans, pickles. It looks like shredded pork, chicken, and beef brisket. Man, this food is so good. Beef brisket. I haven't tried the cornbread yet. The mac and cheese is so good. The beans is phenomenal. Got a Guinness. Lori D got a Coors Light, but not a banquet. Oh, Virgil's.
Real barbecue.
Yeah, we're at Virgil's Real Barbecue. I couldn't think of the name of it for a minute, and we're sitting here. But it's just right off of the Linq, and there's actually, it's pretty cool in here. They got a full bar, big full bar. What else? Outside seating. Mm-hmm. We're eating at the bar. So yeah, it's really cool in here. A lot of TVs to watch sports.
Yep.
So hope you enjoy.
People watching.
Yeah, people watching is crazy. Most people are right over in that area eating it in and out. And there's a Harley Davidson store right next door. And yeah, it's pretty cool in here.
I just don't know if I could ever see the car.
Yeah, it's pretty cool in here, right? So, and the food is phenomenal.
Very good.
Yeah, I want to try those pickles, that cornbread. Got some sauces, jalapeno mango, hot barbecue, and then the mild barbecue sauce. So, yeah, really good. So I'm gonna eat, and then we'll talk in a minute. So, how long have you been working here? Oh, and what's your name first?
Lindsay.
Lindsay, hi. How long have you been working
Less
here?
than a week. Less than a month.
Oh, less than a month? Do you like Virgil's?
Yeah, I do. I love it. Actually,
Yeah.
I'm stepping down from management, so I did the whole management thing.
Right.
And my passion is cocktails, so I'm back.
Very
I love
cool.
it so far.
Very cool. Well, you're beautiful, you're entertaining, and we had a good time. Thank
Thank you
you.
so much. I'll see you
Have
all
a
next time,
have a
okay?
good one. Thank you.